What's up, everyone? So today we have an exciting video for you guys. So we have two 2022 Model 3 long ranges. Both have the same setup, same wheels, same tires, same state of charge. The only difference being one has the acceleration boost and one does not. So we're going to put them side by side so you can see the difference. So let's just get right into it. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Acceleration boost Model 3 from the dig.
His first time.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's definitely a difference from the just regular long range having the acceleration boost. Also comparing how we accelerated even when we were already going 60 next to each other. It seems that it accelerates faster even after 60, not just 260.
Yeah.
So that makes the car overall faster, and it does jerk you back in your seat a little bit more.
Yeah, it's more similar to the performance. It has more of a kick than like a smooth throttle response. So that's pretty much it for the video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully it helped you see the difference between the long range and a long range acceleration boost, and hopefully it helps you if you're deciding whether or not you're willing to get the acceleration boost for the $2,000 that it normally is. There's another way that you can go about it, like my friend did. If you use the referral program with just one referral, you can get the acceleration boost for free, which is pretty awesome. I'd say that there's definitely a difference between the acceleration boost and no acceleration boost. It's definitely quicker, more punchy. I've been interested in this topic for a while, but I just haven't seen any videos where they're comparing it side by side, because most people just get it and then compare their reaction, or they time themselves, and that doesn't help me too much. So hopefully this video helped you guys see the difference between the two. And I would personally also want to get it, but using the referral program, I personally wouldn't pay $2,000, but it might be worth it to you. But that's also for you to decide. Hopefully the video helps with that. And also, if you guys are looking to buy a new Tesla and you want to get the $250 off in the 3 months of full self-driving, you're welcome to use my referral code. I'll leave it in the description. If you have any suggestions for other videos that you would like to see, just let me know, and see you guys next time. Peace.